What's up, guys? So today's a little different because I've got Travis Harrison of 43.2 Fishing on the boat. And we've been talking about fishing together for a couple years now. And we finally bit the bullet, and he took off work, and it worked out that I could get away, and we've come up to the southern Outer Banks to try to get on some fish. This is a new place for me. He's got some experience here, so I'm just following his lead. But I appreciate y'all. Let's see if we can get on some fish.
You think there's a ton of bullet right here? I mean, it's right there. There should be a lot of them. Finger bullet. The grass.
Oh, there's one. All right. First, he was right on the bank. Let me hit spot lock. That was right on the bank. Yeah, that sucks. Fighting really weird. That's getting blown up on the bank now, behind us. It's not fighting. It's fighting really strange. I don't know, man. Got some backbone on them. Okay. All right, on the board. All right, guys, first one's on the board. That one's going in the frying pan. We're gonna get back out and see if we can get on another one. And the bait I'm starting off with this morning is the skitter walk. And I'm gonna throw this for probably 30, 45 minutes while the sun is starting to peak. There's fish in here. Oh. Trying to keep my cadence. Oh no, come on. Don't do me like that.
He's still behind it. Oh, there he is, he's behind it.
Oh, there it is. Oh, that was awesome. Man, that don't get any better. I've got a small, it's not a skitter walk, but.
I've got a skitter walk.
Okay. All right, let's see what this is. I'm assuming this is gonna be another red. Oh yeah, nice red. Man, this is so fun. There it is. Thanks, man. Get him back. There he is. We're fishing this bay, and it probably starts off about 5 foot at the deepest point and works all the way up to the bank. We're in about 2 foot now. So we've been trying to fish this bank and find the fish, and it seems like they're hanging out like, I'd say 10 feet off of the bank is where I've caught both of my fish. Travis is actually fishing a little bigger bait than I am. I've caught 2 on the small. He's still got a large on, but he's about to switch if he doesn't get one soon.
Like that louder, I don't fish a skitter walk much, but I might like that louder.
Oh. Yeah, do you want this, you want to use this bait?
No.
Look at the fish on the point up there. Yeah, that was smaller. This one's smaller. Is it a trout?
Yeah.
Sure is. Man, that's awesome.
That might have been what mine was too.
Man, that's sweet, dude. All right, whoa, got it. It's not my best release, but I was falling out of the boat, so tried to get him back as efficiently as we could. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Come on. It's a little one, isn't it? Oh, that is not a little one. Ooh. Oh, got him. Good fish, dude. Whatever that was, smoked it. All right.
Dude, it's like he pulled it under and I started moving it
Or
again.
like swam at you.
Well, no, he wasn't on it. I started moving it. And he ate it underwater.
Come on, where you at? There it is. All right. Well, that tells us that it's not just the skitter walk.
Go.
Right. So I don't know how much you guys could see that, but I was working a small fish and like I'm trying to convince it to eat right beside the boat. Well, all of a sudden just Travis gets smoked up front. It seems to be that they're keyed in on a smaller size topwater today. I missed the hookup on that one.
On the red and white?
Yeah, red and white. So I just switched from that skitter walk to a little larger red and white jig or top water plug. This is the mirror lure.
Trout.
I'm not sure.
Trout. Or,
Yeah.
Might be a red. Red.
So they're still hitting the top water. Cool. Thank you, sir. All right, dude. You have a good day, my man. Oh, that looked good. Jeez, dude. I think top water's over. Huh?
That's a good fish,
It
dude.
is a good fish.
Ooh.
Got some hits on her.
Reel's knocking.
Yeah, that's,
That one's not 19.
no, I was thinking 24, 25 minimum. Oh, maybe bigger. That's a good fish, dude. Yeah, that's a nice one, man. Yeah, I think it might be. And he hasn't even really come up much yet. Oh yeah. It's a good one. And he's under the boat right now.
Pig, right?
Good fish, dude. Yeah, I think that's gonna be too big, man.
Pig.
I mean, we're not keeping them, but either way,
Look at that there.
that's pretty.
Button them up.
So that jig you made.
Yep.
All right, if y'all are looking for some solid tackle, this is the man putting in the work with his own jig right now.
Not the shameless pitch.
Nope. Said he made them last night. That's beautiful, dude. That is awesome. Well, that's going to wrap us up. We had a short window. We've got a bunch of good fish, so I appreciate y'all tagging along with us on that. If you guys need any jigs, I've got Travis's information down in the description below. I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all are the best. I'll see you next week.